YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Ken Sledgexl. Knows my channel should to end. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notification when I post new videos. Today, I've got yet another unboxing, and I've got something that I bought from Fashion Nova. I opened it up to see that everything is in the bag. You know me, I have to do that, make sure. Without further ado, let's go. I think I got like 30% discount on these guys, so I paid a really decent amount for them. Let's get into this before we jump into the shoe and stick it one after the other. So this is a yellow, black and white pants, shorts I meant to say. Yeah, there you go. Boom boom boom, real cool for the summer and you know, those sunny days. It's got a zipper right here so that you know you could put in some cash or wallet, whatever you want to put. Two zippers on the sides. All right, let's move on. So I have wanted these for the longest time, so when I found out that they had it, I was so excited to buy it. This is a size large, and this is the black and royal flannel. Yeah, size large. It was going for $24 plus that 30%, so I paid probably around 16, 17 bucks. Size large right there, really decent. This is gonna go very well with the royal ones, or you know, any other black and blue shoe, but I feel like flannels go very well with Jordan 1s. With your distressed jeans, whether black or, you know, you should be able to, you know, do the chill and kill, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right, orange colorway of the flannel. This one, I don't know how it's gonna fit because I wanted a large, but large was sold out, so I bought extra large. So let's see how it looks. It looks a little bit big. I don't know if I wash it, it's gonna shrink, or I'm gonna have layers. I might have to, you know, dress it up with some layers, but they didn't have it. And if I feel like it's too big, I'm not gonna, you know, rock it. I'll find a way to make it work though, but we'll see how that goes. This is extra large. I couldn't find any other orange and black flannel anywhere, so I didn't want to miss out on them, and Fashion Nova hasn't restocked these. So alright, next is a shirt that I carved. I like the colorway because of how it looks. There we go. Yeah. Alright, here. So this shirt is clean, size large as well. I like this. This is gonna go very well with some, you know, black jeans, skinny fit or slim fit with some loafers. You know, this is not like you could do some sneakers if you want, but I prefer to wear these types of shirts with some loafers, you know, to get that little dressy look, you know. Yeah, sometimes you have to rock those. It's not every day that you can just little Fashion Nova 25% card in there. And I think the last but not the least, same flannel in a yellow and black colorway, you know, black and yellow, you know, Wiz Khalifa. Yeah, I like this very well. It's gonna go very well with I think the Jordan 13, the Carmelo Anthony joints, the black and yellow ones that released. If you haven't seen that video, you could go check it out on my channel. You can see it from this side. But yeah, okay, there we go. Let's see what else is in there. Just the ticket from all of it, and yeah. Okay, moving on to today's main unboxing. I cut this off of Foot Action for $120, and the tax was $9.60. I don't know if the camera can capture that, but there you go. Look at these guys right here. So this is Jordan 1 Made SE, and it's gonna be the metallic gold, black and white. There you go, Jordan Made SE, metallic gold, black and white. So look at these shoes, man. If you like patent leather, I feel like this is gonna be something that you might be interested in. The last time I checked, I think they still have it in the outlets, and you can find some on Hibbett Sports and all of those, you know, shoe selling places. I think I saw some on Nordstrom online as well. But very clean shoe, black bottoms. Like I said, this is the mid version, so you know, tongue, Jumpman in the metallic gold insoles. This is the shoe tree insoles. Let me see if I can pop it out or not. It's not gonna come out, I'm not gonna force it. But yeah, patent leather on the back side in black, and polish is very glossy. The swoosh is yellow metallic gold, whatever you call it. Toe box, white perforations with the black running across, and side panels is just a flat white leather, and that is it. Very clean shoe. The Jordan 1 logo over here, very decent. I like it with the white lacing. I don't know about the black lacing, how it's gonna look like. I might try to put one of them, lace one of them in black to see how, you know, it goes with the colorway. But yeah, until I see you next, stay tuned for the on-feed action. Definitely catch me next and go check out some of my old videos. Peace out.
I used to grind in the dirt. I used to cry till it hurt. I want up to the heavens. When is my time gonna come? I used to be used to, but I never got used to. Being what I used to be. Yeah. I used to be used to, but I never got used to. Being what I used to be.
Where I'm from, every night it gets colder. Mom was never sober, wishing I was older. Then I went to a foster home and they told us everything was gonna be alright, and they showed us how to shine bright, sparkle like the sunlight. But I knew deep inside I was thug life. Ain't nothing changed but the way I stay humble. I ain't never had none, I was from the gutter. Me and my little sister had to struggle hard. No dad, big brother had to do his part. I swear to God that I love my family to the death. I came from nothing, so I know when there's nothing left. Last breath, stumble to my last steps. I'ma be right there when there's no cash left. Old shoes, holes in my clothes, thugging. Ain't nobody bought me shit, so I started hustling.
I used to be used to. I used to be used to. I used to grind in the dirt. I used to